You crack me up, man. What? Oh, hey there. Welcome back. As you can see, we're in the kitchen, which means we're cooking up something today. So today, I have a craving for pancakes. Not just any pancakes though. Those giant, fluffy, yummy-looking Japanese pancakes. If you'd like to follow along, I'll throw the ingredients in the description below. If not, just watch and enjoy. Alright, so what we have in the bowl here is the sugar, the pancake mix, and I threw in some cinnamon because, you know, cinnamon's delicious. So we're going to throw in the milk. So the ingredients ask for 2 egg yolks and 4 egg whites. So I have my 2 egg yolks here. But what do I do with the other 2? Like, that's a waste of egg yolk, right? So what do I do? I mean, it's split, so it's not any good. I guess I could just... Oh, so good. Well, now we'll just mix this all together. So the egg whites, you're supposed to use a machine-y thingy to beat them, but I don't have that. But I got this. So I'm gonna beat them until they're nice and stiff. This was the most intense beating I've ever had to do. But as you can see, hopefully you can, the yolk or the egg whites are now nice and stiff. So, you're going to take these whites and fold them into this thing, batter. So we'll just dunk those in. And I don't know what folding is, but we'll try. Alright, I think I did this right. So now comes the fun part. We cook it. Alright, so we're gonna put the batter into the mold and hopefully it all works out. You don't want to fill it up all the way, you want to go about 3/4 of the way. I feel like I messed these up already because I didn't spray the inside of the molds. So we'll see how they turn out in 10 minutes here. We have one more, and I will spray this one. I made this, by the way, just because, you know, who doesn't want a triangle pancake? So just fill that one up. Hopefully it stays. So I don't think any of these are gonna work, just because it's coming out of the triangle and it didn't fill it up all the way. And then those ones don't have anything to get them unstuck. But we'll cover it and we'll come back in 10 minutes. Alright, so from here we're going to flip them. I went in and took off the triangle because it all oozed out, so there was no point to keeping that in there. So, I feel like I could just flip these with a pair of tongs. Yeah. Oh, struggling. Oh, fuck that one up. Alright, and then we'll take our pancake blob and we'll give that a little flip. Alright, once you flip them, you give them another 5 minutes. So we'll wait that out too. Alright, so that's been about 5 minutes. We'll just take these off. These miserable failures of mine. Here's the first one. Still don't know how I'm gonna get them out. Ta-da! Alright, pancakes are done. Let's give them a try. Got our subpar looking pancakes here. Drizzle some of this syrup on. Let's give them a try. So they're not fluffy, they're a little bit on the dry side, but you know, pancake's a pancake. If you liked what you saw here today, hit that like button, you know, give me some love. If you want to see me fail at other dishes like this one, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to check out my other videos. I think I'm going to be eating something other than this fairly soon, so keep an eye out for that. But yeah, this is Paco. Hopefully your pancakes turned out better than mine. Peace.